Hey, I'm Ted with Anthem Branding. Today I want to talk about custom-made crossbody and fanny packs that we're able to make. We can make any style. This particular one is interesting. It is a neoprene scuba material that's very trendy right now. It's got 2 pockets and a debossed logo. We made this one for Cheribundi. Inside, it's got nice thick threaded zippers and then a nice organizational pouch on the inside for your wallet, your keys, your phone. It can be worn as a fanny pack or a crossbody. Another really nice feature here is we use 3D printed logo step and repeat pattern on the webbing in a tone-on-tone. It adds a nice sophistication to decoration methods. These are the types of things we can design in any aesthetic, any silhouette, any shape, and add all the bells and whistles you could be looking for, from private labels to different color blocking to different webbing. So when you get a chance, let's discuss your project. Hit us up and create a meeting link, and we can talk about your specific crossbody and fanny pack project.